In this video, I will show you how to get a glider in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is upgrade your crafting bench to the rare crafting bench. And once you've done that, underneath the tools option on here, you're going to see the option for a glider. So to do this, there are some tools you're going to need, which is wool fabric, silk fabric, and flex wood rod. So what you need to do is obtain silk from spiders and of course wool from sheep. Now once you've gone ahead and got those, what you can do is come across to your spinning wheel, and you can use the spinning wheel to craft silk threads and wool threads. So once you've got your threads, what you then need to do is go ahead and build a loom, which looks like this, and you can use the loom to produce your silk fabrics and your wool fabrics. Now the final thing we need to actually craft a glider, if we come back to the crafting bench, as you can see, the final thing we need is flexwood rod. Now flexwood rod is a rare type of wood, and you can find this in desert areas, but basically it comes from cactuses. So what you need to do is go to a desert area that's got cactuses, and when you chop down the cactus, you're going to obtain flexwood. And what you want to do, basically once you've got your flexwood, you want to go ahead and build a lumber mill. So you just want to come and build a lumber mill, and you can use the lumber mill to go ahead and build flexwood rods. Of course, once you got all the required materials, you would then come across to your crafting bench. Make sure you've got the rare crafting bench, so make sure you have upgraded your crafting bench. And if you come across to this icon here, you will be able to go ahead and build the glider. So you need 4 wool fabric, 6 silk fabrics, and 8 flexwood rods. Then you can come across to here, put those into your crafting bench, and go ahead and get the glider. To go ahead and actually use the glider once you got it, all you need to do is go up to a high elevated surface, and what you want to do is just basically jump off and double tap, and instead of going into fly mode like this, what's going to happen is the glider is going to come out. Of course, it's a very handy tool, it just helps you get to places a lot faster than flying. So that is how to go ahead and get the glider in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.